And here we're working on a iPhone 12 Pro. Basically it needs a new screen, as you guys can see. So we have it on the heat mat and we're going to replace the screen on that device. Alright, now it's time to connect the screen to the frame. It's going to be a little tricky, so you have to line it up and connect it. Everything's connected. Time to put the screws back. Okay. And now it's time to close it up. Okay, put the bottom screws. And turn it on. Everything's fixed, sealed up, good to go. And there you go, phone is fixed, brand new again. Let me know if you need any repairs. We're located in San Diego, California.